Hello, welcome back. I have another Dollar Tree DIY. So if you have something to drink and you're ready, let's get this party started. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Grandma GAINZ. This is Bohippian Life. I am a reselling grandma on multiple platforms. I leave all the links in the description box of all my videos if you're interested in the reselling portion of my videos of my channel. But this video is a DIY. It's an Easter one. And I've been asked multiple times to do another Easter tree. Now I have these in my playlist from last year, the year before. But I thought, all right, I'll just go ahead and make another one for you guys. So what are we going to need? Glue sticks, most likely. Some yarn, if you don't want to glue your items. A twig with lots of branches. Larry went out and picked this for me Saturday. It was so comical watching him walk around looking for the perfect branch. So, branch. And we are going to need a container of some sort. I have an abundance of them. I have these ones. I was looking for my round ones. We did multiple DIYs with it, but I can't find them. So we'll use this one. Unless I have one where it's painted white all around it. Oh, I do. I want one of these. Hold on. This one. White all the way around. So I will tear projects apart and redo them. This one I believe was a very springy centerpiece that I put on the back of my wall. On the back of the where I sit for our live card readings. Alright, so we're going to need a container. So flowers and garden. This is the same on both sides. And let's get a better view. We're going to need some of those faux flower foam. Plug in your glue guns, my friends. You may need them. Let's get a better view. Before we get a better view, I forgot to mention, we are going to be decorating this little area and some other as well. Yeah, for the season. So this one here is from last year. And right here are some pillowcase covers. And I thought, well, how stinking cute. What I had intended to do was use one of those for an Easter tree base. But we're doing this instead. Hey, we may still do it. Anyways, better view. So I have stuffed the faux flower foam in there. You can put more in if you want. And now this one's perfect because it doesn't have a lot of branches coming off the back, only the front. So I am going to, which one do I want? I'm putting it in the center, but not getting the seam. I'm pushing this all the way down there so it's nice and stable. Now I have a grass. So we could put faux grass in there if you want. I have a different DIY with that. Instead, what I have off to the side here, give me a moment, is some tissue paper that I would rather stuff in there. So now I'm going to bring you guys back up. I'm going to stuff that in afterwards. All right, perfect. So in this bag, I have all kinds of bags sitting around. I have multiple Easter eggs. And I also have the foam ones too. So you can hot glue them if you want. This one has a little little hangy thing on it. Now, I try to make it so that, you know, I can reuse these. So if I don't have to, why is it not going on there? Wow. There, better. Yeah, so if you have some with little hangies on them, go ahead and use them. These are from Dollar Tree. Of course, you can use whatever you have. I also have the plastic ones. Oops, this is only half of one. And I have, oh, here's the other half. Here's some string in here too. These ones are all ready. So you don't even have to use the hot glue if you don't want. You can just tie it with a very pretty spring color. I have a couple more. Oh, purple being my favorite. These are the easiest Easter decoration you can make. So you have a tree outside and you want to decorate it. We still have some fairly high winds here. So I have done it multiple years my kids were growing up. This one doesn't have a thingy on it. I'm just gonna hot glue it in one of these little crevices. Probably right there. Oh, seriously. Oh. Sometimes my DIYs are just, there we go. A little more pressure this time. It's foam, so careful, it will melt. Oh, I was putting it up here, I forgot. Just hold it for a moment, it'll stay. So I have a Dollar Tree cutting thingy. I love these. Look, I even have butterfly. Probably not. I haven't seen butterflies yet. Let's add more purple to it. Here's a good spot for a purple one. Here's a pretty green one. Probably here looks good. Put as many or as few on as you want. This one is kind of small. We have some way over here. We have a whole lot longer string in there though. Oh, blue. We don't have blue on this side. So use whatever you want. Here's another one. Put this one way up here on the tippy top. How are we doing for time? Perfect. All right, I'm going to add some more here. Guys, I love these ones. Oops. These ones are so cute. They're like metallic looking. Turn it around and see where we need one of these purple ones. Right here on the front. Of course we do. Oh, here's pink one. All right, so I'm going to continue adding these and I'll be back. All right, so use as much or as little as you want. I mentioned before, if you are doing a theme, go ahead and use some dinosaurs. Paint them Easter colors. They'd be so adorable. Let me see, what do I have? I have a couple more of these tiny ones. Oh, I have more. These are cute. I like these ones. I have larger foam ones as well, but I'm going to save those. All right, where can we use some more? Right here. There. All right, I'm going to keep adding them. I'll be back. So, if you haven't used all of your eggs, save some to put in the bottom. But I have these eggs. I want to show you my mother-in-law made. She used to go to Saram. Look at how stinking adorable. I love these. So I also have a basket and a rabbit, but these, not sure if I should put them in there. I don't know. So I'll think about that. But here's the little rabbit she made. And the basket. Generally, I display these all together. Isn't it just the cutest? Mm-hmm. So there are a couple of her ceramics that I've kept. And so, yeah, all right, let's put something else on here. I know I have more. Oh, I have these ones. All right, let me pull some of these off. Oh, I had to stretch. So, and just in case you're curious what these are, they're on a strand. So they have some little, they have the beads as well. But I don't want the beads. I only want some of the eggs. So I just put the beads in there. These are so stinking pretty. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go set it up. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is where it's gonna stay. Oops. I'm not sure if that's where it's gonna stay or not, but this is where I put it right now. Like I said, we've got some more DIYs, so I'm not even sure if that's where it's gonna stay, but I like it. I think it's cute. I love the Easter egg tree. It's super simple. Kids can do it. Little ones can help, and it won't get them dirty. It won't ruin their good clothes. Oh my gosh. So anyway, let's get a better view. If you like this type of content based around a Dollar Tree or Dollar DIYs, Dollar Tree DIYs, I hope you give my video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Most important, I hope you guys have the best day ever. And I'll see you in the next video.